Hey everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting. It's been a while since I've been on here doing a video. I just wanted to pop in and remind you all that we have some awesome classes coming up, both via Zoom, online live, and in person. So we have this awesome class called How Do I Quilt That? And I know so many of you, when I post photos of the quilts that I am custom quilting and I put online, you're like, how do you decide to quilt that like that? And so this class, How Do I Quilt That, is a class that I teach every so often. It's not a consistent class that I teach every year. Will teach you how my brain decides what the focal point of something should be. And I'll show you a before picture and an after picture where we kind of discuss what would be your focal point here. Now that I've quilted it, does the focal point change? And I can show you how quilting impacts the end result of your quilt and why making certain design choices will have the right impact on your quilting for whatever it is that you want to do in the future. I feel like it's so important to teach you the why of how what you're doing matters. So that as you're doing various projects, you're able to decipher what it is that you need to complete them. So when you're looking to add texture to your beautiful quilts and they're so busy and you don't know how to accentuate them, but you want to add some wonderful detail to them, we can discuss how and why we would go about whittling it down to how we would select our designs for those quilt tops. Maybe you've got something that has a lot of needle turn applique and you have no idea what to do with all of this and how to accentuate it in different places. And we'll talk about how to deal with applique and all those things as well. So if you want to join our How Do I Quilt That class, there are two ways to join. One, if you're local and in person, our class is this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. We have 4 slots left available in the class. If you'd like to join, all you have to do is call me or email me at boldnotionquilting@gmail.com and we can get you on the schedule so that you can come to class Saturday morning. It's a short class. It's $95 to attend. It's 3 hours long. You get lots of notes and lots of information so that you can leave being inspired to quilt some of those tops that you have ready to go at home. The second way is via Zoom online. So what you do is you actually log on to boldnotionquilting.com and you can sign up for the Zoom online How Do I Quilt That class. You just go to courses and scroll down to How Do I Quilt That. It'll say Zoom online and you can register for it there. Once you've registered for it and paid for your class, it's also $95. It's next Friday, April 25th. No, that's Tuesday. It is next Friday, April 28th at 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So depending on what time zone you're in, we're at 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You pay the $95 for that class, and I will email you a Zoom link so that you're able to log in and participate, and I'm going to have lots of samples and things to share with you online and live like I'm talking to you right now. So I'm super excited to see you guys in class. It is your last chance to sign up for the in-person class this Saturday, April 22nd, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Again, it's a 3-hour long class and it's $95 if you want to come in person. Come into the shop tomorrow, call or email me and let me know that you want to participate so we can get you paid and squared away if you want to come for Saturday. And then if you want to come if you want to do the next Friday live Zoom class, you can go to boldnotionquilting.com, go to courses, and then you can click on live classes to view it, or you can just type in How Do I Quilt That into the search bar function and it'll pop right up. You can pay for it, register, and then you are on my list to get the Zoom link, and then we'll be ready to go. So I'm so excited to see you guys. There's just a few days left until we do our How Do I Quilt That class, and I cannot wait to see you guys there and talk about all of the things that make me happy creating and designing for our quilt tops. So don't forget to join. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.